Hello dear students. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the move and copy command. Today we are going to discuss the other modify commands. So first command that we are going to discuss in this lecture is rotate command. So for that I am going to draw a line on which I will apply rotate command. So for drawing line I have to select line command. Then I will draw a line. Then to escape from the line command I have to press escape. Then to rotate the command I have to select rotate from this bar, or I will type rotate in this command line. So I will select rotate from here. Now AutoCAD will ask you that select object, the object which is to be rotated. So after selecting it, press enter. Now it will ask you that specify base point about which you want to rotate the line. So let it be this point. About this line I have to rotate the line. So now you can see that we can rotate the line about this angle. So you have to specify the angle about which you have to rotate this line, about how much angle. So I'm giving it as 45 degree. So now press enter. After entering the 45 degree, you will get the line at 45 degree. If you will draw a horizontal line here, then the distance between these two lines is 45 degree. This is how the rotate command is used. Next is mirror command. So mirror command is what? Mirror command create a mirror copy of the selected object. If there is this similarity between the object about a center axis, then we can use the mirror command there. For example, I have to draw a triangle, equilateral triangle. Then what I have to do, or any body which is symmetrical in nature. Let us suppose I have to complete a circle and semicircle is given to me. So in that case, I can use mirror command, because when we do the mirror of semicircle, we get a circle. For example, for applying mirror command, I have to draw a line which can be utilized as the axis line of the object about which the object is to be mirrored. For example, this is the axis line, and I have selecting an arc. And for arc, I am selecting 3-point arc. So I have selected 1 point here, then 1 point here, and the other point here. So if I want to mirror this arc about this line, what I have to do? I have to select this mirror command, or I have to write mirror command on the command line. So I will press on mirror command, then it will ask you that select the object which is to be mirrored. For example, I have to mirror this object. So click on it, then press enter key. Then it will ask you that specify first point of mirror line. So mirror line is which line? This line which I have drawn. So let us suppose I have to mirror about this point. So I have select first point. Now the AutoCAD will ask you that specify the second point about which you want to fix this rotation. So let it be the second point. So now the AutoCAD will ask you that erase source object. Erase source object means if you select yes, then what will happen? This source object will get deleted. Only this portion will remain in the drawing. But if we select no, then what will happen? Source object will not get deleted and this complete drawing is there. So press select no and enter. So now you can see that this R get mirrored about this center line. Okay, this is how the mirror command is utilized in AutoCAD. So thank you so much and have a nice day.